All right, class, it's me again today, and that's because I know we ended pretty fast on perfect cubes. You guys are all dead, tired, and not paying attention very well, so hopefully this will help. I know it wasn't your own fault. You were trying to pay attention. Don't take that in the wrong way. But if you look at number 14 from your homework, it's 8x cubed plus 125. Now, obviously, this is going to be a perfect cube because one in the directions it says it is. And if you are unsure how to find a perfect cube, then I will show you using your calculator. So you hit your math button, and then notice on the fourth one down, so let me just arrow down, that one right there, you can hit enter, and that means the cubed root. So in my problem, it was 8. So in my calculator, I'll hit 8 and then enter, 2. Then I'll do the same thing for, sorry for the hand, 125. So again, how to do that, I hit my math button, then I go down to number 4 and 125. Yay, 5. 2 and 5, or in other words, I'll kind of write off to the side here, the cubed root of 8 equals 2, and the cubed root of 125 equals 5. No, that's really messy. And I got this from my calculator if you weren't sure. What this 2 is representing is our A, and our 5 is representing our B. In that case, if you're looking at your notes and you're trying to figure out what the heck are A and B, I'll remind you, it says that you have A plus B times by A squared minus AB plus B squared. So here, A equals 2. So I can substitute 2 for A. Or in other words, I'll have 2 there. Now the only downfall is I should have wrote it up here. If we go back to our problem, it was 8x cubed. So I also need an x by my 2. Let me add that in. Got it. All right. Then B is 5. So I'm going to replace B with a 5. Now I want A squared. And remember, A was 2x. So I want to think about 2x squared. Well, 2x squared, 2 times 2 is 4. X squared is x squared. Therefore, down here, sorry for this video, 4x squared is what I'd have. Thinking about it logically, 2x times 4x squared gives us our original 8x cubed. Now we have A times B. So A was 2x, B was 5. 2x times 5 is 10x. And it's always going to be opposite of what this is as far as the sign goes. This is a positive, this is a negative. We want that so that they'll cancel out. And I will show you that in just a little bit so you can check your answers. Now the last term is B squared. B, recall, was 5, and 5 squared is 25. Oh, wow, sorry. So let me zoom out. You guys, sorry, this video is horrible, but hopefully it will help. So 2x plus 5 times by 4x squared minus 10x plus 25. Remember, you can check your work if you want by going 2 times 4, which is 8x cubed, 2 times negative 10, which is negative 20x, 2 times 25, which is 50x. So to recall right there, I just times the 2 by each of those terms. Now I need to times the 5 by each of those. So 5 times 4 is 20x squared. 5 times negative 10, negative 50x. And 5 times 25 is 125. Now hopefully you'll notice that the 50s cancel out. And hopefully you're also noticing I didn't write one of my squares. If we go back to the beginning, 2 times 4 is 8x cubed, and then this is where I messed up. 2x times negative 10x, they both have an x, that would be x squared. Notice again I have a negative 20 and a 20, so that makes 0. Therefore I'm left with just 8x cubed plus 125. I know this video isn't great, but I really don't want to start it over, so hopefully it will help. Thanks guys, see ya.